Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So last night we had the receiving workshop, and as expected, people were blown away by what was delivered, freeing up the guilt, the programming, the conditioning to allow receiving into their lives. And I woke up this morning and had another idea along those lines. And the idea is to come up with a receiving workshop version 2, which will go deeper into the aspects of what we're taught in the first one, and to allow even more receiving to come in. This is most likely going to be done in probably the late October time frame, so we're really looking forward to it. And sorry, this new selfie stick I got is a bit of a nightmare to get it to work. But so, typically at the end of a workshop, what I like to do is open up the lines, not the recorded part, and just breathe in what people were experiencing. And at the beginning of that workshop, I had given it probably about 3 minutes into it, and I said, at the end of this workshop, people are going to be absolutely blown away at this new space that they're in. So at the end of the workshop, I opened up the lines for a few minutes, and it was just this amazing cry of, oh my God. So, we expect some feedback and testimonials to come in over the next several days to the effects of the receiving workshop version 1. Version 2 is going to come, and it's going to be bigger and badder than the first one. The first one was pretty spot on and amazing for people. I mean, the agreement, the general consensus at the end was people had never experienced anything like that. Because, the original school of thought was to use sacred geometry to go in and, define what receiving means to you. And about an hour before, I got another download, and what we did was we modified the core cleanse with new carrier waves to just allow that receiving to come in through the left hand, and the stuff that needs to go to go away in the right hand. It was an exceptional workshop. It's available for a donation on the MDM site if you want to go in. The second workshop is going to be donation based again. We had a huge crowd last night. There was a lot of energy. We and Donna were goofing off in the pre-show with the crowd a little bit. So it's all good. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that participated, and as promised, your answers didn't go, your prayers didn't go unanswered. We delivered in typical MDM fashion, and we're going to be bringing you a receiving workshop version 2 by the end of October. There'll be more details to follow, a date and a time. I hope you can you can join us for that one as well, but you definitely want to take the first one. The second one is going to be immensely more powerful, and I think we're going to keep it to a smaller crowd. We had a big number on this last call, and it can be challenging for me to to perform at the levels that you expect when we have so many people. But other than that, we're going to rock it again. Thanks, folks. Have an awesome day.